Howdy, folks. We're live at 9:43, running a mini for Svens UKG 85 Yak. It looks like there. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our 6 winners. Copy them here and paste them here. And we have 100, which is good because we're supposed to. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We got a 3. I'm rolling again. We got a 4. We're working our way up to it. And we got a 7, so we're good. Alright, here we go. Good luck, guys. And gals, perhaps. Scott in the top for round 1. Beetlejuice 2. Kenneth 3. And 4. Rock 5. Troy 6. And our winners are Gary, Mark, Troy, Raymond, Rock, and Rock. Congrats, fellas. Here's our verification code and official results. AWIXZF. There they are. Which means I'm done. At 9:44 p.m. There it is. There it is again. Congratulations, fellas. See you next time. Thanks.